Let me quickly talk to you about UltimateTax Desktop 1040, the tax preparer software. This is important, folks, because for the last 11 months, we have investigated 82 professional tax preparation and research tools, culminating in the review of hundreds of features, pricing tiers, databases, and customer support models. Whenever we needed clarifications or answers to specific thematics, we reached out to Ultimate Tax representatives. So this UltimateTax Desktop 1040 software review is a part of a series that is a direct offshoot of our months-long initiative. We have rated this software tool on 6 quintessential criteria, that is accuracy, timely updates, value for cost, ease of use, customer support, and availability of forms. Enjoy. Let's jump right into it, folks. I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is today's agenda. So this is, we have 7 parts. I'll give you an overview of the software. Then we'll talk about ergonomics, convenience, productivity, support, growth, pricing, and synopsis. It's very important to understand that if you want to go for the UltimateTax Desktop 1040 tax preparer software, you have a constellation of tools and interfaces that are really great for you, especially if you are processing a lot of thousands of 1040s every tax season. You have a templated forms for all states. You have tax forms that are all updated with federal and state returns. This is really good. You are able to maximize your potential, your earning potential. You have e-filing. This is really good. You can file as many 1040s as you want electronically, including past due returns. You have unlimited users. This is really good because if you have a lot of clients and you want to expand your practice this tax season and all the future ones, this is really good. And you have smart diagnostics. You can review calculations and tax return fields to ensure 100% accuracy before filing. So this is good. And we love the fact that they have a dependable customer support that is based in the US. So here you have it. When you think about UltimateTax Desktop 1040, this is what you have. You also have a fast turnaround time for tax preparation. We always pay attention to that, because if you have a busy season, your job is to make sure that you file as many returns as possible. So this is really good. And one thing I also want to say is that you also have a W-2, 1099, and prior year software. You're able to offer more services with W-2 and 1099 and prior year tax software add-ons, but those are add-ons. In other words, you have to pay extra for them. So overall, when we look at this software, we believe that this is a great software in terms of e-filing, in terms of handling updates during tax season and beyond, in terms of handling retroactive tax law changes. So you have a constellation of benefits that comes with the UltimateTax Desktop 1040 tax preparer software. Before I get into the actual ergonomics, please check out this short video. It talks to you about our methodology when it comes to ranking, when it comes to listing, when it comes to reviewing tax software on this show. Check this out. I want to talk to you now about ergonomics. So here we want to focus on how this software is great in terms of user friendliness, folks. So this is important. With the UltimateTax Desktop 1040, you are able to prepare taxes using templated forms, including all states. This is really good. Templated forms, okay? And you are able to get more clients because you have unlimited 1040 tax returns in this software. And we love the fact that you also you can save at least 6 to 8 hours based on our calculation with free data conversions from your previous tax software to Ultimate Tax software. So if you have been using Drake or Intuit Pro Connect or Pro Series or Thomson Reuters ATX or GoSystem RS, if you've been using other tax software, this is not a problem. UltimateTax Desktop will actually help with conversion. This is really good. So you don't have to worry about your client's past tax documents. And because they have software specialists in-house that will help you without any problems or additional charges. Okay, so your tax practice will be ready for tax season in no time. So it's important to understand that we love the fact that the user friendliness I want to talk to you about, you can see it in 4 ways. You can see it in terms of e-filing. This is very easy. The interface is very user friendly, very intuitive. You also have e-signature, so you're able to let your clients e-sign, okay, so they can sign their tax returns electronically in compliance with the IRS standards. You also see it in terms of the solutions you offer your clients in terms of bank products. Okay, we are all about sustainability of your practice here. So you want to make money not just during tax season but also beyond. And you also have a lot of we love the cost for value. When you think about Ultimate Tax, I'll speak about pricing later on, but the cost for value is really great with this product. Overall, this is a great software in terms of user friendliness. We love the data entry style form or interview. You have all states included, all federal tax forms included. Again, we are speaking about 1040 only, no business returns preparation. You have unlimited 1040 e-filing. This is really great. Now, if you're interested in corporate returns, Ultimate Tax does have a bundle that you can buy that actually combines individual tax return and business tax returns, but you have to pay extra for that. I want to talk to you about convenience. So we want to focus here on user experience. So first we focused on user friendliness. Now we want to see how easy the software is when it comes to actually using it. How satisfactory is the experience of using the software as a whole, okay? And we would say very simply that this software is very easy to use. It makes electronic tax preparation a lot faster and simpler. And you are able to actually get help if you need to in determining the correct tax forms and how to do them correctly. So you have in filing, you have filing help. So you have help features that are embedded within the software. So as you are filing your 1040, you are able to get help automatically. And we love the fact that this software is available on a desktop setup, a web-based platform, or both if you want it that way. Those are things you have to check with the Ultimate Tax team, but they have a lot of stuff also that help you in terms of user experience. For example, we love the fact that they have a launch pad, so you can customize your buttons in your launch pad, so you can set up to start the day in a very fast way. Whether you are a single practice member, or you are a single member practice rather, or you are a multi-member practice, okay? And you also have the interview mode, so you guide your clients in providing their tax data using the interview mode feature. You can enter your client's basic information and fill up standard data entry fields easily. So you can input client data once and prepare as many tax forms needed for your clients. Very, very good. We love also the detailed reports that come with Ultimate Tax Desktop, because those allow you to actually be on top of everything at the office. You can keep track of all tax returns statuses. You can improve client satisfaction with data based on database decisions, and you can improve your tax business. And last but not the least, one thing we love also in terms of convenience, in terms of user experience, in terms of how satisfactory the whole experience is, we love the fact that you can ensure accuracy for all tax returns prepared, okay? And this is important. We're talking about accuracy. We're talking about security of the data. This is important. And they do have within the software, they have a module or a feature called Smart Diagnostics. So Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040 automatically checks calculations or fields left blank, okay? And this Smart Diagnostics ensures all client information fields are filled properly, okay? Wonderful. How does this software add to your workflow gains? How do you become more productive? How do you actually, how does the Ultimate Desktop 1040 enable your practice to be more productive? The thing here is that the way the setup, the way the desktop software, this desktop software is set up, you are able to add as many users as you need. Okay, and this is kind of cool because if you want to scale during tax season, let's say you had 5 practitioners all year long and this tax season is busy and you want to hire as many practitioners as you need, let's say 20 or 30 or 40, you're able to add as many users as you need with this software. Not a problem. Okay, and you can hire more tax professionals and take on more clients. Very good. And there are a lot of features, a lot of modules, a lot of functionalities that in our view enable you to be more productive, enable you to make more money, to use fewer resources while actually helping more clients. So we have the launchpad that I just spoke to you earlier about. This is really good because you have the custom launch screen that puts the most common items front and center on the dashboard. So that's the launchpad. So when you get into the Ultimate Desktop 1040 software, this is what you see first. They have the 365 service. So we love the fact that you are able to call the support office and you'll be back up running very quickly if you have problems, especially during tax season, because this is all they care about. One thing we have found is that in the off season, their customer service is a little down in terms of efficiency. Something they need to fix, something they need to work on. They also offer free conversions. I've spoken to you earlier about that. So this is really helps in terms of productivity. So you can convert your data from your current tax program to Ultimate Tax. They have something called Fee Collect. So this is an exclusive feature that allows you to make sure that your preparation fees go straight to your account. Okay, so you get away from the credit card fee and you can make additional income. They also have context sensitive health. Okay, they have interview mode. Those features really help in terms of productivity. They do have state modules, so all states are included. So Pro Collect and Premium. So as you would expect, all states here are included in this software. You can help your customers by doing returns for any state with no additional cost to you or for e-file. You have detailed reports. Okay, this is really good. You're able to stay on track with the business. You're able to have insight into how the business is doing, how many clients you are onboarding, all that kind of stuff. And we also love the Ultimate Cash product or feature that helps you get rewards paid directly to the tax office based on value. This is really good. I'll be back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation about UltimateTax Desktop 1040, and I want to talk to you about support. And you can see right there, when we talk about all Ultimate Tax products, whether it is the Desktop 1040 or other products, you can contact sales at any time if you have questions. If you are a new client or even an existing client, you can always reach out to sales. However, if you have a software-related issue and you want to have a fast assistance, there are a couple of things that you can do. You can see on the screen, we have actually, this is courtesy of Ultimate Tax. You can see all the conduits you can follow, from which you can get help. Okay, so we're talking about, first of all, they have a solution center. So this is a centralized repository, a centralized database of all the resources that you can avail yourself of if you need help during the tax season. You need help with the software. Okay, the software, not the service itself, but just the software. And you can also you can go into My Ultimate Tax. So this is your account dashboard. This is your dashboard. You get into it. You have all the tools and functionalities there. All right. So those functionalities are very important in terms of helping you know exactly what kind of problem you have and how to auto fix it before reaching out to a customer service rep. You can chat with the service expert. This is really good. And sometimes we have seen people who created a service ticket. Creating a service ticket, we have found, based on our experience, is a lot faster. So you get you get help faster. You can even call them also. This is really good. You can, if you want to have remote help, you want a customer service rep to see your screen, to see what the kind of problem that you're having, you can have Show My Screen. This is a functionality that you click on, and you can also email the team. They have also a blog where you have all the information that you need. And we have found that overall, This is really great. They have an FAQ, also an FAQ platform. Here you have a collection of questions and answers, and most of the time you will find your answer there. You can also go to the Tax Preparer Center if you need extra help, or you can go to also the IRS Information Center. This is where you get all the information, the latest information that you need from the IRS and other tax authorities. Really great. Let's talk about growth. So we want to talk about how you can actually use the UltimateTax Desktop 1040 software to grow. And as with other UltimateTax products, you can actually grow with this software by the bank products, through the bank products. So when we talk about bank products, we are speaking about a number of banking partners that UltimateTax has collaborated with. They're working with them for a while now, and the most prominent ones of which the most prominent of which are TPG. So this is Santa Barbara. Okay, they actually they've been doing business with UltimateTax for a while now. They also have EPS Financial, and they have Refund Advantage. I'm going to put on the screen all the numbers in case you are interested in those companies in terms of their bank products. You have Santa Barbara 1-800-779-7228, EPS Financial 888-782-0850, and we have Refund Advantage, and this is 1-800-967-4934. And one thing we have found also is that you are able to grow your business through UltimateTax Desktop 1040 through the Ultimate Guide for New Tax Preparers that they have. This is a very, very helpful document, especially if you are new, especially if this is your first tax season and you are trying to have all the resources, all the information that you need to have a successful tax season. Very important. So they talk about things like how to start a tax business, the fundamentals for tax preparers, how to set up your office, getting your office tools, outsource suppliers, investing in your own office space, acquiring your clients, and tips for new tax preparers. So we have found this extraordinarily helpful. And besides bank products and tax preparer resources, you also have helps in terms of online check printing. So the faster you can get your checks to your customers, the more referrals you can expect. So you can actually make more money there as well. You have the ability to make money also by through networking. This is something that we love a lot when we analyze UltimateTax software in general. So you also have the rebates. This is really good. So this software provider will actually pay rebates based on your volume. You can also do an add-on fee that can be withheld and paid to your office. So you have options. Speaking about options, what do we see in terms of pricing? All right, so here you can see that, by the way, this software is exclusively on desktop, but you can negotiate with UltimateTax if you want to have it online or in the cloud or any other form, okay? So I want you to see right now on the screen that when we talk about UltimateTax Desktop 1040, you're able to get a free trial. Okay, so you can test the waters before actually jumping in. So you can test the software, see the functionalities, make sure that you're comfortable with all the modules, all the settings before you actually buy it. Okay, so they have no problem with that. If you want to get a free trial, you just have to fill in your information. Go to UltimateTax Desktop, the software web page, if you will, and you have all the information there. You have to enter your information, and then they will send you a link. Will send you a link to your email. You click on that link, you just download the software, or and you can just see if this works for your practice, depending on your niche and all that kind of stuff. In terms of pricing, you can see on the screen, the second screenshot here, that the UltimateTax Desktop 1040, you do have the information in terms of how much it does cost. Here, they are showing you the functionalities. They're showing you all the add-ons. But one thing you need to do is you need to contact the the office. You need to contact Ultimate Tax because they will see based on the volume, based on your niche, based on the number of tax returns that you expect to process. They will give you some kind of pricing. And one thing that's also very important also is that you need to understand that Ultimate Tax Desktop 40 is only for 1040 filing, right? This is for individual return filing. But if you want to add if you want to have the bundle that I was talking to you about, you can see that you have the Ultimate Tax 1040 Plus Corporate, and that will basically cost a little bit more. But that's the bottom line here. The bottom line here is that you are able to get a better deal if you are interested in filing not only individual returns but also business returns. But if you are exclusively interested in the Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040, you go with that one. According to Ultimate Tax, you have annual savings of $857, but they want to talk to you first before giving you an exact quote. So here you have it, folks. After evaluating this software and after looking at the pros and cons and looking at the features, we believe that this software is great for a single member, an oligo member, a multi-member practice, and also a small practice. Okay, our overall score is 9.5 over 10, this particular software. And in terms of Ultimate Tax overall rating, we have ranked this software provider number 6 in our top 10 tax preparer software tools. And you can go, actually we have a video that talks about this. You can go watch the video after this one to learn more. So Ultimate Tax, in our view, is best for micro and small businesses, micro and small practices. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.